Do you want to know how you can promote your Telegram channel? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can promote your Telegram channel. Go ahead and open Telegram, which is on your phone. This is your channel, so go ahead and click on the channel and click on subscribers. What you need to do is click on add subscribers and add people to your group. After you add people to your group, only then your reach will be there and only when your Telegram channel be promoted. You can simply click on add subscribers and add your subscribers, or else you can click invite via link, copy the link, and then you can send the link to your friends and they can join the channel. Another setting is go ahead and go to channel settings and scroll a bit down. You can see that there are some options you want to change. So go to channel type and change it to public and go ahead and click on the tick mark on the top right hand side. This way your channel type will change. Go ahead and write down the public link and then click on the tick mark button and you can see that your channel type has been public. So every one of the people can search for your channel, and this way you can promote your channel quite easily. So the first step is to add a lot of people on your group or add a lot of contents so that the people will be happy about watching your continuous flow of content. The next step is to invite your subscribers via link or add them personally, and the third is to enable the public chat under the channel settings. So this is it guys. This is how you promote your Telegram channel. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.